All right, good morning everyone. We are here in Providence, Rhode Island, 95 bridge demolition with Bay Crane. They are just going to start building the 1650 right now, and after that the beams are going to go up pretty quick, so it should be an exciting morning.
So behind me you can see the LTM 1650 with the Y guy. It just finished placing its second of 3 beams. Up top there's an LTM 1130 that will come in to help support the rest of the bridge installation. That's going to be it for this site. Thanks everybody for watching, and we'll see you at the next one.